I need to today start what? Strategic analysis model. Strategic analysis model. Strategic analysis model. First, what is strategic analysis model? Can we move ahead? आगे बढ़े हम. Okay. Page number 35 of your ideal का notes. Page number 35. What is strategic analysis model? The models or techniques that has been developed by the strategic managers for evaluating the strategies developed by them. Means I can say that वो जो स्ट्रेटजीज आपने डेवलप की है, वो स्ट्रेटजीज जो आपने डेवलप की है, उस स्ट्रेटजी को चेक करना, उस स्ट्रेटजी को टेस्ट करना इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? वो मॉडल्स और वो टेक्निक्स जो उन स्ट्रेटजीज को टेस्ट करने के लिए यूज की जाती है, दैट ऑल टेक्निक्स एंड मॉडल आर टू बी ट्रीटेड एज व्हाट? Strategic analysis model. Strategic analysis model is the model or techniques that has been used to testify the strategy, that has been used, all techniques that has been used to testify the strategy is called what? Strategic analysis model, SAM. Strategic analysis model. Is it clear? All those techniques, all those methods that has been used to testify the strategy developed by the strategic manager, जिसको strategic manager use करता है अपनी strategies की validity check करने के लिए, अपनी strategy सही है या गलत है ये check करने के लिए, that is called what? Strategic analysis model.